So the Hedgehog Concept is a tool that you can use to identify your own simple, overarching strategy. It's based on having a deep understanding over three things. Number one, what you're deeply passionate about. Number two, what you can be the best in the world at. And number three, what drives your economic or resource engine. When it comes to passion, the good to great companies focus on things that they're already passionate about. So it's not about simulating passion or motivating passion. The idea here is to get very clear on what the organization is already passionate about. When it comes to being the best in the world, it's not about coming up with a strategy or a plan or a goal to try to become the best in the world at something. Instead, it's about being very clear as an organization around what opportunities that company truly has the potential to become the best in the world at. And finally, when it comes to the economic engine, it's important to get clear on the best way to generate sustainable cash flow. And often, this comes down to getting very clear on the one core metric that is most representative of the company's success. So for example, profit per customer, profit per retail location, even profit per geographic region, or profit per product. The idea here is to get clear on the metric that is most indicative of future success so that everybody in the organization understands what they need to focus on in order to boost the economic model. But the core premise behind the Hedgehog Concept is that there is power through simplicity. And by understanding these three circles and the overlap between them, you can make all future decisions much easier.